up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and protect your car seat. Now, if you're a dad or a mom or a grandparent, you know that your car seat lives in the car. It's one of those things that goes in the vehicle. It carries your most precious cargo, which is your kids, and it makes sure that they're safe. But we've noticed by working here at a detail shop that car seats are totally neglected. They have bacteria, stains, milk, food, vomit, all this other gross stuff in the fabric of the car seat, and your kids are exposed to that. So this is a little Martin seat right here. We're gonna show you guys how we clean it and protect it and get it looking great. So this car seat right here is filthy dirty. You get in close, you see all these milk stains, just drips. Look at all that crusty stuff down there. We need to clean this seat and get it looking good. So we're gonna show you guys how to do that today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first clean the seat with our super cleaner. This is our Masterson super cleaner. Check that out, no color, no scent. That means this is an all-purpose cleaner that's safe around kids. You don't want to use heavy cleaners on stuff that's not safe around kids. So we're going to put this right there and we're going to use it around the seat, and then we're going to finish it up with our fabric protectant coating. This is going to protect the seat and make sure that stains don't come back. So I actually took the super cleaner. The super cleaner comes concentrated. I diluted it 8-to-1, so I mixed it with some water. I mixed it closer to 10-to-1, and what you're doing is you're mixing the product with water to lower the strength. Now this is a cleaner that can clean everything. So if you got a really dirty car seat, you can go 5-to-1. This one is a lightly dirty car seat. From our experience, I've seen some bad stuff. So we're gonna go about 8 to 10-to-1 on that deal. So let's take a microfiber towel and let's take some super cleaner, and we're just gonna spray it on the areas that need to be cleaned. So look, we'll spray it right here on the bottom. You don't need to go heavy, just a little bit. There we go. And then I'm gonna take my microfiber and I'm just gonna start wiping down and scrubbing this. Now look at how easy it just starts to take off all of the stains. We don't need to use heavy cleaners or heavy brushes. We're just gonna let the product do the cleaning. Now, the reason I chose this product for this job is because this has no color, no scent. That way it's not gonna harm the kids. So a lot of children are sensitive to smells, they're sensitive to colorings. You don't wanna have any dyes exposed to your child. So if you like the best stuff for your kid, if you wanna make sure that this is safe around your child, this is the best product for use on it. Now this car seat's a few years old now, and it had some crusty stuff at the bottom. If you guys have some crusty stuff at the bottom like that, just spray your microfiber towel, okay? And then take the microfiber towel, go down there, and just get all that crusty stuff up. Believe it or not, we actually vacuumed this seat and blew it out with air, and there was still nasty, crusty stuff in here. But look, already, big difference, guys. We already got all that stuff. It's a hard spot to clean down here, so we just want to make sure that it looks super clean. I'm going to spray a little bit down there. Boom. And already, look at that. We let the product do the job, and that area where all the crusty stuff, perfectly clean, okay, guys? And this is all you're doing is you're just cleaning and wiping down the surface. This is actually a very rugged, I don't know if you guys can hear that with the mic, very rugged fabric, these car seats. So they don't usually absorb a lot of material, but all the like milk and stains, juice and food, it just sits on the top. But this super cleaner right here, great stuff. It's safe around kids and it's safe around pets. And I love not just using it on the car seat, but the seats inside the car, your cloth seats, your fabric seats. Works on plastic, rubber, vinyl. Dude, already just a quick wipe down made the seat look good, man. Okay, so we're pretty good. I'm also gonna take these seat belts right here and give them just a little wipe down with the super cleaner, clean it all up. And then there we go. I like to take the car seat every once in a while because you never know. I like to just turn it around and see if anything falls out. Okay, there we go. We got everything out. These kids, they put stuff, they shove stuff in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up the cover really quick. And I still got some super cleaner on my towel. I'm gonna put just one more light spray. There we go. And I'm just gonna give the top a good wipe down. There we go. This top, as you can see on car seats, very flimsy, okay? So you just wanna try and put your hand underneath and give it just a good wipe. You don't wanna press too hard. You don't wanna break your car seat. This one doesn't have any stains on it. It's not really dirty, but the car seat is looking good. I got one little stain there. And that's nice. If you have car seat with like fray stuff like this from your child, you can leave it there. It's not gonna harm it. A lot of these areas right here that are softer, they get frayed. And then the area right here that's stiffer, it doesn't really get frayed out. So I think everything's good to go. This looks like a really clean seat. I see one little light stain right there. Let's attack that light stain. Okay, spray a little super cleaner on there. That one was actually a big stain. Probably the bottle fell right there. There we go. It's taking it out. Let's go ahead and just spray a little more on there. Oops, okay. And as you can see, I'm not using any brushes because if you're cleaning car seats, there we go, we got it all out. That looks great, nice. And if you guys are noticing, I'm not using any brushes. I'm just using pure microfiber. You never know, your child might be allergic to a horsehair or a boar's hair brush. So we're just using pure microfiber. It's hypoallergenic. It's an easy product and it's always safe for kids and pets. Okay guys, so now this car seat is clean. It feels pretty dry. We didn't use a lot of product and we absorbed a lot of the product. So now let's go ahead and fabric protect it. Now you can actually take this whole car seat apart and wash it in a washing machine. I don't recommend to do that. From my experience of cleaning cars and different type of materials, if you take off all this cover and put it into your washing machine, it might not go back on the car seat correctly and it might take you a lot of time. This is easier, and if you clean your car seat on a weekly or monthly basis, man, it just takes a few minutes, okay? So now we're gonna take our Masterson's fabric protectant. This is what we're gonna use to protect the car seat. This is a UV and protecting and stain blocking product, and it's non-aerosol, so it's safe for pets, it's safe for kids. So what we're gonna do is spray this on the car seat, on all the surfaces, the belts, the fabric, and I'm also gonna spray it on the top up here as well. And that way, the whole car seat is protected, so if baby Martin spills anything, his bottle drips, he spills some food or a little bit of liquid, it's not gonna stain the surface as easy. We can clean it up easy next time. So let's take our product, shake it up, and then let's just give it a good spray. I like to spray everything. There we go. Awesome. I like one coat, and then if I get it on the plastic frame, you just go ahead and wipe it off the plastic frame. If you have a really dirty child, 2 coats is great. I'm gonna put 1 coat on this, just 1 thick coat, since this fabric is a little bit thicker fabric. If you have thinner fabric, like a car chair booster where it's a thinner material, you want to do 2 coats. Remember, this is a very rigid material. 1 thick coat is going to be great to absorb into the product. So now that we got it all set up, I'm going to open this up so it dries correctly. I'm just going to take this outside into the sun and I'm going to let it dry for about 20 to 25 minutes. All the product's going to dry and then it's going to be protected, and we're going to come back and show you guys the results. We'll see you in a moment. So we're back. It's been about 20 minutes. We took the car seat, put it outside in the sun. Now it's completely dry, clean. It looks good. I was even able to get off as many of the little tiny frays in the fabric. That's from kids using their hands or using toys, and it can fray the fabric. But now this thing is super clean and ready to go. It's gonna look great once it gets back in the car, and we were able to clean it with our Masterson Super Cleaner, and we were able to protect it with our fabric protectant coating. Now, if you care about your kids, they're your loved ones, you wanna make sure their seat in your car is clean and protected. And this way, if you use the Masterson Super Cleaner, you're gonna be getting off all those stains, all that milk drippings, any type of contaminants on your seat. It's gonna leave it clean and fresh. And then if you use your Masterson's fabric protectant coating, the next time you clean the seat, it's gonna clean easier, faster, and it's gonna stay safe for your loved ones. Now, my name is Greg from Masterson's Car Care. If you wanna pick up the Super Cleaner and the fabric protectant, hop on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything to keep your car looking great. Click the link in the bio, use the discount code, and remember, always have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.